It's been a while since we've been on an airplane, and I'm so excited because we're off to
Georgia.
We're gonna watch our grandson play baseball in the AreaCode event in Atlanta, Georgia. So we're loading up and we're out of here. We'll meet up with the rest of my family, my daughter, and my other grandsons, and we're going as a family on a plane to Georgia. So I'm excited, can you tell? See you later. All right, we've made it to the airport, and we're gonna give ourselves a chance to try a airport lounge. We have first time. It's a short time, and of course with the COVID, there's some restrictions. So this is gonna be our first experience. So anything's gonna be fun.
Yep.
So we're gonna try it out, and we'll let you know how it is on the other side.
All right.
Well, that was a little underwhelming
Yeah.
for our first experience, but at least we got to experience it. And of course, with the situations now, everything's a little subdued in services and
Yep. I mean, they had fruit, they had yogurt,
yeah.
they had drinks, they had coffee, but that was and fresh fruit also. But that was pretty much it.
Yeah, but got to get the grandson something real to eat. So we just basically had a couple of yogurts. Stain had a cup of coffee, and now we're on go over to our gate and get the big boy something to eat, more substantial. So we got a long flight to Atlanta coming up next. All right, we're here. We've met up with the rest of the gang. They're all here, ready to go to Georgia. So I'm showing you the Japanese garden section of the Grand Hyatt Hotel that we're staying at here in Georgia, just outside of downtown Atlanta. It's called Buckhorn, is the area outside of downtown Atlanta, and they say it's a bit more nicer than actual downtown. And I would have to agree. We just walked to dinner and we walked back to the hotel, and now we're just experiencing the waterfall and the Japanese gardens. And we have points here that we've earned with Hyatt, and I wish Stain was here to talk to you about that. But he's relaxing in the lounge there, looking outside those high arched windows at the waterfall. But it's just absolutely beautiful here. And you know what? Today there's like no humidity in Georgia. I mean, what is up with that? So it's just exciting, and lots of perks here when you are a member of Hyatt. I mean, even all the way down to free parking, and that includes valet or the parking garage. So anyways, I just wanted to share this little serene spot with you. Perfect place for after dinner. Which was we just walked down on the corner. We went and had some good, actually Cajun food, but it was really good. So anyways, I just wanted to share this beautiful spot with you. Oh, and here comes one of my grandsons here. That's Ben.
My daughter booked a wonderful place on Lake Arrowhead with water access, and everyone could not wait to jump in and cool off.
So kind of alluded to you that we were going to Georgia to watch some baseball, and here we are in Emerson, Georgia to watch my grandson. What's going on here is the AreaCode Baseball, and this is the elite of the elite here of boys who were picked throughout the nation to come and represent. And what it is it's the biggest MLB recruiting event of the year, and it's only upperclassmen. And that's my grandson, number 7. And anyways, just trying to remember all the details about this. It's called AreaCode. It's the big. All of the MLB scouts are here, and they will start playing tonight. My grandson's first game is tonight, and we'll have one every day through Monday morning. And he is on the Cincinnati Reds team. Boys are representing teams like the Royals, every MLB team there is. So anyways, it's exciting. We're so proud of him. And it's number 7. and he'll be out there playing. I'll get some shots for you as he plays. He's shortstop. He'll probably also play second base. So anyways, these kids, all these kids that are here for this weekend are the best of the best. So enjoy. Play ball.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte. Ball head, Mr. Clean. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go, go, go. Whoa, I pressed the button, girlfriends I like. Whoa, 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 whoa.
So we're going on a boat ride today here at Lake Arrowhead in Georgia, just outside Atlanta. And we're getting on a pontoon and the whole family's going on. It's going to be some fishing and it's going to be fun.